The wolves look to the moon, and the ocean to the sky. I've looked to you my whole life. Now I have to say goodbye. But to say that I've lost you is a selfish thing to say. I've never seen nothing as beautiful as watching you slip away. I'd rather see you go in the arms of your angels than to stay right here with me. I'll meet you on the other side of the Jordan. Now let your soul go free. You did it all with feeling and failure. You took it gracefully. You said that start of the right straight on till morning. When you need me, you know that's where I'll be. Now the rest of my life without you, right now it's hard to conceive. You said, don't cry for me now. You've got to remember, there is no death for those that believe. I'd rather see you go in the arms of your angels than to keep you right here with me. Meet you on the other side of the Jordan. Now let your soul go free. Let your soul